Hi, welcome back to Growing Up Garage. I'm Kendall Johnson, 25. And I'm Caden Johnson, 91. And today, we're going to clean some cars because we just went to Campo Speedway a couple weeks ago. And we got to clean these dirty cars. So there's the one car, and then we got all of the other cars. Here's my dad's car, my white mini Dwarf, and then the go-kart, and this one also, and Kendall's car. And also, Kendall, tell them what you're going to be doing maybe next week. Racing a mini Dwarf?
Maybe, yeah. Maybe Kendall says she wants to maybe try to drive the green and black mini Dwarf. But I think if we do that, we're gonna have to make it super pretty. Let's pull this one out. Let's see. It's dirty right now, guys. It's really dirty.
But that means Kendall was doing really good. So you see this car, she wants to wrap like this car. But she said, oh, I don't want to drive a mini Dwarf. But we were like, we promoted her into, we can make it all pretty like this car, and then we can put this wrap on maybe that car.
Yeah, so we need Mike at Fine Line Graphics to hook that up, huh?
Yep. So yeah, make sure you guys check out the next week's video at CALVMX. But first, you gotta check this awesome video cleaning. So let's get to it. First, car so long, and now it's time to have a lunch break from McDonald's.
All right, let's go. Did you already eat all your fries?
Yeah.
What'd you get, Ken? What'd you get in your, what's your character? No.
Oh.
Who's that?
I don't know. But I got a person, it's like,
where is it?
It's here.
Oh.
So that's it for this video. We got all of the cars cleaned, as you can see, in this beautiful go-kart room. But also, next time we gotta come back to the shop and get all those cars ready. Yeah, it's so much fun with my sister, you guys, and my dad. Now give us a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button, turn notifications, and give us a huge thumbs up. Yeah, so that's it for Kendall. Kendall said it. We want to try and reach 1,000 subscribers at the end of the year, and we have you guys to help us do that. So please, we really want to reach that. That's one of our goals for Growing Up Garage. But also, subscribe to Tech Designs and Jeremy's Rule 10. That's where we'll have all the podcasts, and you know what's on Tech Designs. Because you guys are supposed to watch this and ours.